Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making Mr. Phillips Mushroom Bake. Cute story, while living up north, I dated Phil Phillips, whose family owned Phillips Mushroom Farms in Pennsylvania. This mushroom recipe and the links to the products you see us using here will be in the description below, along with the link to our cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie. Ding! We have a Facebook group, Omnia Oven Fans. Please join and please show Little House of Beans some love. It is Stu and I's anniversary today. Show some love. Hit the shamushi button. Click the notification bell. Please subscribe to the Little House of Beans and let me know what kind of mushrooms you love. I'm ready to cook. I love mushrooms. Stu hates mushrooms. Let's make this Mr. Phillips mushroom bake.